Welcome to our review of Dovly, a credit repair and monitoring service that has gained attention for its affordability and effectiveness in improving credit scores. In today's world, having a good credit score is crucial, as it can impact everything from obtaining loans to securing favorable interest rates. Unfortunately, errors on credit reports are not uncommon and can negatively affect your credit score. While you can dispute these errors yourself with the three major credit bureaus Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, a credit repair service like Dovly can simplify the process. In this review, we'll explore what Dovly offers, its plans and costs, how to sign up, and how it compares to its competition. Dovly is marketed as a credit score improvement service that combines credit monitoring and credit repair. However, its credit repair service is where Dovly truly shines, offering users a practical solution to improve their credit scores. Dovly uses artificial intelligence to identify and dispute negative information on your credit reports. The company's free plan offers monthly updates on your TransUnion VantageScore 3.0 credit score and report. This basic package does not include credit repair services, but upgrading to Dovly Premium provides real-time credit monitoring with TransUnion and $1 million of identity theft insurance. It's worth noting that Dovly's credit monitoring capabilities are somewhat limited compared to some of its competitors. Many other services offer real-time monitoring of credit reports from all three credit bureaus, which can provide a more comprehensive view of your credit health. However, Dovly's credit repair service is its standout feature, offering unlimited disputes with all three credit bureaus in its paid plan. Customer reviews of Dovly are generally positive. On Trustpilot, Dovly holds an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 across 177 reviews. The Better Business Bureau gives Dovly an average of 4.24 stars based on 72 reviews. Additionally, Dovly's mobile app has impressive ratings, with an average of 4.7 stars across 10,600 reviews on Google Play and 4.9 stars across 7,300 reviews on the Apple App Store. Dovly's services are divided into two tiers, free and premium. Dovly's free plan offers a basic level of service, providing users with one monthly dispute with TransUnion and monthly updates on their TransUnion VantageScore and report. This plan is an excellent way to test Dovly's capabilities and see if its credit repair services can be beneficial to you. The premium plan, originally priced at $39.99 per month or $99.99 annually, is available to Business Insider readers for a discounted rate of $24.99 monthly. This plan includes unlimited tri-bureau disputes, real-time TransUnion score and report updates, and $1 million of identity theft insurance. It also offers Livus-based customer support, which can be incredibly helpful for users who need assistance navigating their credit repair journey. While Dovly's premium plan is affordable, especially when compared to other credit repair services, it's important to note that the primary benefit you're paying for is the credit dispute service. Comparable levels of credit monitoring can often be found elsewhere for free, and several identity theft protection services offer some form of identity theft insurance. Signing up for Dovly is straightforward, although the company does not offer a free trial for its paid service. However, the free version provides a basic introduction to how Dovly works, allowing you to experience its interface and determine whether its credit repair services can benefit you. If you decide to upgrade to the premium plan and have a Visa card, you can visit Dovlyuplift.com to check your eligibility for the Uplift program. By entering your credit card number, you may access free credit monitoring and repair tools and upgrade your service for $19.99 instead of the full $39.99. During the sign-up process, be prepared to provide personal information, including your name, birthday, social security number, home address, email, and phone number. You'll also need to answer identity confirming questions similar to those required when requesting a credit report. Credit repair services are known for being costly, and Dovly stands out as one of the more affordable options available. For example, the Prosperity Plan, another credit repair service, charges a $119 initial setup fee and a $119 monthly fee. In contrast, Dovely's monthly fee is significantly lower, and there is no initial fee, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking to improve their credit scores without breaking the bank. However, Dovely does have some drawbacks. While many credit repair services offer a refund on the monthly fee if they cannot successfully repair your credit, Dovely does not provide this guarantee. It's essential to consider this when comparing Dovely to its competitors, as the lack of a refund policy may be a concern for some users. Dovely is an attractive option for individuals looking for an affordable and effective credit repair service. Its combination of credit monitoring and credit repair, powered by artificial intelligence, makes it a convenient choice for users seeking to improve their credit scores. While the free plan offers limited benefits, the premium plan provides a comprehensive solution with unlimited tri-bureau disputes and identity theft insurance. However, it's important to consider Dovely's limitations, such as the lack of a refund policy and the fact that its credit monitoring capabilities are not as robust as some competitors. Ultimately, whether Dovely is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.